Police said a Marshfield man ignored traffic warnings on Jerusalem Road on Tuesday afternoon and paid the consequences. The section of road near Bow Street was completely washed out from Tuesday's rain. The red Nissan pickup truck got lifted up by the powerful current at Little Harbor after the operator tried to drive through the flooded area on his way to town center. The driver was able to escape from his vehicle before it was completely taken by the current. The Cohasset Fire Department responded to the accident after his 911 call. A dive team was sent to recover the truck from Little Harbor before it could do any damage. The driver was issued a citation, and the accident is being investigated.